Stressed, drained, and running on empty, we've all been there. You don't need another coffee, you need a reset. Today, SmartBuyerHub.co unveils the top 5 wellness tools guaranteed to melt stress and send your energy soaring in 2025. Stay tuned because one of these could change your day every day. Welcome back to Smart Buyer Hub Official. Let's dive into the gear that makes smart living possible. Kicking off the list is the Theragun Mini 3rd Gen. Don't let the size fool you. This ultra-portable massage gun delivers science-backed percussive therapy, perfect for quick relief from aches, tension, and stress anywhere. It's 30% smaller and quieter, TSA compliant, and boasts up to 180 minutes of battery life. The best part? It includes 3 specialized attachments and connects to the TheraBody app for personalized recovery routines. It's the ultimate travel essential for on-the-go relief. Next up, level up your mindfulness with the Core Meditation Trainer Premium. This smart device is more than just a meditation guide. You hold the beautiful wood grain trainer, and its biosensors measure your heart rate. Soft vibrations and lights guide your breath, giving you real-time focus feedback. After each session, the app shows your progress, making meditation measurable and helping you actively reduce anxiety. It's meditation training backed by data. For true energy, it all starts with sleep. The Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock is designed to create healthy, screen-free sleep habits. It combines a sound machine with 80-plus science-backed sounds and a gentle sunrise alarm that supports your natural circadian rhythm. Say goodbye to jarring alarms and hello to waking up refreshed. You can customize your entire bedtime and wake-up routine with the Hatch Sleep app. It's the all-in-one solution for deeper sleep and gentler mornings. If you've struggled with meditation, meet your personal coach. The MUSE Prime Brain Sensing Headband. Using advanced EEG technology, MUSE provides real-time neurofeedback. As you meditate, the sensors detect your focus level and use responsive sound cues, like weather sounds, to guide you back to a calm state. After your session, you get a calm score to track your progress. It's the scientific shortcut to a more relaxed and present life. Our final pick is the ultimate at-home detox, a portable infrared sauna blanket. This is for deep relaxation and calorie burning. Far infrared heat accelerates perspiration, boosting metabolism and improving skin wellness in just 30-minute sessions. It's incredibly safe with overheat protection and lets you set the temperature in time. Plus, the dual cuff design frees your hands. Get the benefits of a sauna without leaving your living room. To recap, we covered the Theragun Mini, Core Trainer, Hatch Restore 3, MUSE Headband, and the infrared sauna blanket. Ready to reduce stress and boost your energy? All Amazon affiliate links for these top wellness tools are waiting for you right now in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Smart Buyer Hub Official for more smart reviews and essential buying guides. Which tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments.